Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, I'm super excited because today I'm going on a Rae Dunn hunt, and rumor has it there's a ton of birdhouses on the shelf because guess what? Everybody's after all the holiday Rae Dunn, so I hope that I can come home with a birdhouse. So let's go on this Rae Dunn hunt. want to share with you guys what I got on this Rae Dunn hunt today. Now, two of the items is not Rae Dunn, but of course I can use it for my fall decorating for November. So the first item I got, I picked up this pillow. It's Rae Dunn. It says trick or treat. This is super cute. I absolutely love this. And what I'm going to use this for is my chair that's out here in the family room. And I don't have a price on this. I think this was priced around $16.99. And then this is not Rae Dunn, but it was super cute over at Home Goods. I picked this up for $5.99. I thought this was a great price. I also got one for my daughter-in-law. So this I'll be decorating right after Halloween. I'll be putting this up. And then I picked up this little wooden stand here. This is really nice for $7.99. I couldn't believe the price. I love the front of this. And my idea was also to take this and maybe put that on there. I'll have to play around with it and see if I like it. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, but I may use that gather sign on this. And this also came from Home Goods. And then back here, I want to share with you guys this broom. I picked this up at Lowe's. This is so adorable. I absolutely love this witch's broom here. It says 5 cents broom rides, and I think I paid around $12.98 for this from Lowe's. So I'm using that right here on my hearth. And I absolutely love it. And then, of course, behind me on one of my Rae Dunn hunts, not this time, but I found an orange pumpkin. It says Harvest, and this one is priced $19.99. This is the large pumpkin. So I have this sitting right here next to my broom, which I love. And then I have two more items to share with you. So, of course, everybody knows that the birdhouses were real hard to find. And now, since we were going through all this COVID and maybe the stores being shut down and the warehouses and stuff, now you're finding birdhouses on the shelves. You're finding tons of birdhouses, and of course nobody's buying them because everybody's after the holiday items from Rae Dunn. So I was able to get a couple birdhouses. There's a few that I really wanted. I know I wanted an acorn, and then I saw the teardrop one and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy them. So I ended up finding this little acorn here. It says Nest. I absolutely love this. This is so cute, and I always wanted this one, so I found this one, so I thought I'm buying it, because the only ones I have that are in my hutch, they're all the slanted roof ones. So I was excited to find this one. It says Nest, and the birdhouses retail for $19.99. And this one came from Home Goods. And then the other one that I picked up, wasn't gonna buy any birdhouses, but she's like, you know what, I absolutely love them. Now you can find them. So I found this little one here. It says Chirp. This one's $19.99. Also, this one was from Home Goods, and it has the little bird on the back, which is really cute. So what I'll do is probably switch these out and put these in my hutch later on. And this sign here, this came from, I'm not sure, but I've had this probably for about 2 years. It says, I'll put a spell on you. I'm trying to think where this came from. Oh, this came from Kirkland's. This was $24.99, but I got this after the season was over with. So I got this super cheap, and I picked up a couple of different pictures for Halloween. So I'm finally using this one this year, and I absolutely love it. So that's all I got on my Rae Dunn hunt today. I want to share a couple things I've been working on lately. I've been having a lot of fun doing little DIY projects. Now the first one is I've been making mug toppers, and I've been playing around trying to perfect them. And I think this one so far is my favorite on this Rae Dunn Santa mug. And what I used here was some glitter on there, and then I have these fake little peppermints. They came on a little pick from Joann's for 50 cents. And then this was actually a candy cane that I broke and used it to look like a little straw. So that's what I've been working on, playing around with some of these mug toppers. So I have this one, and then I made this one. Now it's not as high. I think I like the ones that are high up, that have a little bit more height to them. But this one, let me turn it around. This one, I painted. So the little snowflake was white, and then the little candy cane here that I broke off and used as a little straw, I painted that because that was red and white. So I just got some craft paint. You can pick up some acrylic paint over at Walmart for 50 cents. So it's really cheap. And then also, this is lightweight spackling that you can buy over at the Dollar Tree. It's $1. So one of those cans will get you one topper. And then I'm trying to think. I think the little snowflakes, again, that all came from Joann's. So there are so many things that you can embellish the little top of your mug toppers with. I have some things coming from Hobby Lobby. I got a little gingerbread man, a couple of those coming in. And I think I got some more snowflakes and a few items. So I can't wait for those to come in because I'll be doing some more toppers. So I think I'll make a video on teaching how to make mug toppers. And then the other thing that I've been working on that I think are just adorable, you can find them all over the stores. I love the gnomes. So again, super easy to make. I've been playing around with this, having so much fun with these. Again, most of the supplies you can get over at the Dollar Tree. They have all kinds of holiday socks. And what I did was this sock here came from the Dollar Tree. And then all you do for the body is you cut the sock and you can add rice to it or some other things you can put in there. I see people use marbles or little flat little glass rocks. But also his little beard came from Joann's. So the other day I went over there and they had some material of the little fake fur here. Now that only cost me $2.49, so I thought that was really a good price. And I can get a couple of these to make the little gnomes with. So I think I'll do another tutorial video on how to make a gnome because they're super easy to make and they're so much fun. And you can't, listen, if I can do it, you guys can do it. They're super easy and there's so many ways you can add legs to the little gnome here. You can add different little things, him holding something. You can add, anything, little embellishments on his hat. All kinds of different things you can do. Now I have another one that I've been working on. I wanted one for fall, so I made this guy. And then I made a Christmas one. I think this is my favorite. I really love this one. Again, I'm just using the sock. And it's so easy just to use the sock. You use some hot glue, fold over and make the arms. And you fold the little hat over. You can tie it off here because this sock happened to have some solid blue color here. So of course it was easy to make the little pom-pom on the end there and just drape it over. And then I just added a little embellishment there. And then for his nose, I used a Christmas bulb, a little mini bulb. So I think I'll do a tutorial on how to make gnomes because I'm having a lot of fun making them. And then I think I'm going to give one to my girlfriend. And I already gave one to my mom that I made. So I've been doing that stuff. Now let's get into the giveaway because we all love to win something. We get excited if we win something, and I thought this would make somebody really happy if they were able to win a Rae Dunn mug with a topper. So I was able to come across these. I have the North Pole with the little hat, and I have the Santa mug with the hat. So today's Tuesday. What I'm going to do, all you have to do is comment on my video and just tell me which mug you would love to win. Would you like the North Pole? Would you like to win the Santa mug? And then I'll let the contest run or the giveaway run for a week. And what I'll do is on my next video, so I'll let it run until Tuesday. And then if I upload a video on Wednesday, I will then announce the winner. So all you have to do is leave me a comment on which mug you would like to win. And then I would appreciate if you would take my video and if you would share it on your Facebook page if you have one, or maybe you can share something on Instagram for me. That would be a big help and I would really appreciate that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing what was in my store. Now behind me you can see I've decorated my mantle for Halloween, so I'm going to give you a look at that and show you how I decorated. And I want to wish everyone good luck on the giveaway and also have a safe and fun Halloween. And until next time, happy decorating!